SEOmonitor helps you prioritize your keywords based on how difficult it is to improve their rankings and how much additional traffic they would generate once ranking in the top. Let's say you need to figure out which keywords from this campaign could generate the biggest impact on your SEO strategy. You could rely on manual work in spreadsheets or custom scripts, or you could simplify the decision to only one attribute, like the search volume. But we all know that's far from good enough. The SEO opportunity score is the metric taking into account all qualitative and quantitative attributes, helping you spot the keywords worth optimizing right now. The score applies to each keyword and it is relative to all the other ones. It is dynamic, related to the data available right now and to your current performance. It works as a percentile, taking values from 0 to 10. 10 represents the top 10% and 1 represents the bottom 10% of all your keywords. For this, it's taking into account the percentage of searches clicking on organic results based on the SERP feature presence impact, the average search volume and its year-over-year trend, the CTR difference between the current rank and top 3, and the website's difficulty to rank. Next, we are turning them into the estimated additional traffic when reaching the top and the difficulty to get there. To determine the opportunity score, we calculate it as a percentile from the potential additional clicks divided to the difficulty to rank in top 10, all divided by 10. The metric is calculated every day in relation to all keywords in the campaign. It is also available at a group level, as an average of the opportunity score of all keywords in the group. Now let's take an example. Let's say you need to pick the keywords to focus on optimizing the website for the next month. In which order would you prioritize them based on the keyword attributes and your website's current performance? Take your time. Pause the video and write them down. This is how they would be prioritized based on the opportunity score in SEOmonitor. You have probably prioritized the ones with a high search volume, the first one and the second one. For good reasons, they also have a high opportunity score, and also the fifth and the sixth one. But have you noticed that the last one doesn't actually need SEO anymore? There is no opportunity here, as it already ranks on the second position. In this case, we mark the keyword with a trophy icon, so you quickly understand why it's the last one on the list. The same goes for the fifth one, which has a very low opportunity because it already ranks on the fifth position. There will be cases when the keyword difficulty or the year-over-year search trend would radically change the opportunity of a keyword, like for the third and the fourth keywords. But by taking into account all the variables, the opportunity score will be the most reliable way of sorting or filtering your keywords, as it is calculated for your website relative to all the other keywords in the list. The opportunity score becomes critical when you have to do the same process for thousands of keywords, without compromising the quality of the decision by simplifying the methodology to just one variable. With SEOmonitor, you can easily sort your keywords by opportunity score, or just filter the ones with a high opportunity and create a smart group with them. In conclusion, the SEO opportunity score is that metric taking into account all the attributes of a keyword to estimate how much additional traffic they could generate when ranking in the top, and also the current performance of the website and its difficulty to reach that top. It takes values from 0 to 10, being calculated in relation to the other keywords every day. If a keyword gets 10, then it's in the top 10% of the keywords in your campaign. And this helps you better prioritize the keywords worth focusing on next.